crave for something nice and hot when the weather is very cold or during the months of winter. And today's recipe is a great kids special. I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious hot chocolate drink. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the hot chocolate, I've taken 1 cup of water. Once the water is hot, add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Just mix it using a whisk. Once the cocoa powder is dissolved, add 2 cups of full fat milk. Reduce the flame, keep it to a low. Next, I'm going to add 150 grams of semi-sweet cooking chocolate. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Use a whisk and mix the hot chocolate so it all blends well and the chocolate is melted and there are no lumps. Keep the flame on low and boil the hot chocolate for about 5 minutes. Make sure the chocolate is completely dissolved. Turn off the stove, keep this aside. The hot chocolate is ready. Pour it into individual cups and top it with a few marshmallows. You can have this hot chocolate as is, or you can enjoy it with some whipped cream or toasted marshmallows. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.